Welcome back to another deal video at Ace Hardware. I'm showing you the top deals you should consider for the month of January now, and Happy New Year to you guys. And I want to first congratulate Ralph for winning the $100 gift card giveaway from December. Thank you, Ralph, and everyone else who participated in commenting in my videos last month. He did choose to go with the Harbor Freight gift card, and he's going to use it towards a US General 56 toolbox, and that's when it's on a good discount. So you just have to patiently wait, Ralph, for a good deal to come up, as many people are waiting for that deal. And also stay tuned to another Harbor Freight video I do next week, where I will be announcing the 5 gold icon ratchet giveaway. I will mention the details to comment on that video specifically, where I will be pulling the 5 winners from it. So stay tuned to next week's Harbor Freight video. All right, so starting off here with some Craftsman deals, and they might have extended some of these that they had in the previous month. So for example, they do have the 72 tooth low profile ratchet. Is 11 piece in the metric, so it comes with 10 pieces of the 1/4 inch drive, and then one ratchet, and then a mini extension bar to it. Comes in a hard plastic case there. The special offer price is $15, and it was $28. And they also have the SAE 11 piece set as well, and that's also priced at $15. It was $28. And they do have a 10 piece 3/8 drive set, so it has 9 pieces of the sockets and then one 72 tooth low profile ratchet, and that's priced at $15 as well. It was $30. And that's in the millimeter one. And then they have the SAE version, same pricing there, $15, was $30. Then they also have special offers on the Craftsman 7-piece metric wrenches. It ranges from 6mm to 13mm, as a 15-degree offset, and they're 12-point box end wrenches. That's priced at $15, and it was $28. Then they do have the SAE version as well, and that ranges from size 5/16 to 9/16. That's also priced at $15, and that was $36. So that's definitely a great deal on that set. And they have some red hot buys on the SAE at metric 24-piece 1/4 inch drive 6-point mechanics tool set. It comes in a clear plastic case there. It also comes with some Torx bits as well as screw bits, and a nice small 72 tooth low profile ratchet with that. So that special red hot buy is $20. It was $33. And that's for the SAE version. And then for the metric version is the same. And they're 6-point sockets, 24 pieces, again with the 72 tooth low profile ratchet. And that's also $20, and it was $33. Another option they have is the 20-piece SAE and metric set, 1/4 inch drive with the 72 tooth low profile ratchet. Also is versus stack compatible case with that, and it does come with one extension bar with that as well. That's also priced at $20, and it was $38. Another option is the 24-piece Craftsman 6-point socket set in the 3/8 drive. It does come with a 72 tooth low profile ratchet and the Versa stack case as well. Also comes with like a screw bit holder handle to it with different Torx bits and screw bits with that as well. And that's also priced at $20, and it was $33. They also have the SAE version, but they are out of stock, so it would be the same deal. And they do have a special offer on the Milwaukee Sawzall blade set. It's 5 pieces total. So it comes with a wrecker blade and torches, as well as the axe one for wood with nails in it. So they do say it's over $25 value with the blades there. So it'd be great for demolition work as well as metal cutting. So that is only priced at $17, but you'll be able to pick it up for only $10. It's a good deal on that. They do have a special offer on the Craftsman ratcheting screwdriver. It does come with 15 total bits to it. You can switch out, so it has different screw bits, Torx bits, square bits, and slotted. So you can use this as a ratcheting screwdriver. You just change the direction with it in this part right here. It's a pretty good deal price at only $15 when it was $28. Now I'll get into some power tool options they have from Milwaukee. They basically are running a similar deal what they had last month. That's when you buy a 2-tool combo kit with the hammer drill and impact driver, as well as 2 5-amp-hour batteries, charger, and a hard case, or buy a 5-amp-hour battery starter kit. Then you do have an option of these tools that you can get for free. So pretty decent savings there from Milwaukee, and they are running these deals until January 31st. So you do have the whole month to get them. Now, one thing in the store is that they don't have them priced as far as the 2-tool combo kit. but it should be around the 349 to 399 mark for those two tools, and then you get the additional tool for free. And the next deal is going to be on the DeWalt power tools, the 20-volt system. They have the deal where it's still 129 each for the different power tools they have here listed. Those options are the 6.5-inch circular saw, a 5-inch random orbit sander, the reciprocating saw, and the half-gallon wet dry vac, which those are all going to be brushed tools. And they are also including that deal a 5 amp hour battery and a 2-pack of the 3 amp hour batteries for 129 each. So you have some options there. And they basically hit the repeat button on the Craftsman deal that they offered last month. And that's when you can have two options to buy and then get a free tool. So those options are for 99 bucks. You get a 4 amp hour battery and charger, and you get one select tool for free. Or for 179, you can get a brushless drill driver and impact driver combo kit. And that does include two batteries and a charger. Then you get two select power tools for free. And those options are the Bluetooth job site speaker, jigsaw, oscillating multi-tool, detail sander, random orbit sander, router, ratchet, rotary tool, angle grinder, misting fan, the reciprocating saw, circular saw, an inflator, and a portable wet dry vac. So those are your options there that you can get for free. So definitely some good ones from Craftsman. And then from what I was told from a friend of the channel, that this is a different kit from what Lowe's is offering for $199. It's actually a different drill and impact driver. Now, I'm not sure what the differences are between the two, but to save additional 20 bucks might be worth it to get the two free tools here at Ace. Now, they do have a deal in their flyer, and that's for $149. You can get a 2-tool combo kit from DeWalt, the 20-volt drill and impact driver. These are going to be brushed tools for the $149. It's not a bad price, but I do recommend going for brushless tools, especially in this price range. And they extended the deal on the Milwaukee air tip for the shop vac. They do accommodate the different size hoses with these air tips from Milwaukee. So it does fit 1.25 inch, 1 7/8, and 2.5 inch size. This is the corner shaped tip for deep corner cleaning. And it does have bristles on the underside there, which makes it nice, easily used on a shop vac. And this is what the end looks like to be able to accommodate the different size hoses. So this is priced at only 15 bucks. That's saving $5 there off the $20 price. And they do have a deal on the Stanley Power Lock 25-foot tape measure. It does have a 2x blade life and a 10-foot maximum reach with it. You can save $5 on that instantly, so it'll only be 10 bucks. And they do have a deal on the DeWalt 16-ounce lightweight hammer here. The offer is saving $5 on it, so it's only be 20 bucks. Now, they do say the original pricing was 25 here on the special offer tag, but the tag above that says it's normally priced at 28. DeWalt does make good hammers and actually have the small version of this. I think it's around this 16-ounce size. It might be 14 if I'm not mistaken, but I keep it in my small tool bag. So it's nice and portable and easy to use and nice and lightweight as well. And they're running a similar deal what they did last month as well on the Craftsman heavy-duty staple gun. It does shoot from size 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch staples. That's priced at only 15 bucks and it was 28. And you do have until the end of the month for this deal as well. January 31st. And if you want a more traditional style staple gun, they have this Craftsman steel heavy duty stapler, only 15 bucks as well. That is saving $5 there. And again, you have until January 31st for that deal. And of course, they're not running any steel deals during this time of year. So I thought I would check, but there are not any that I'm seeing. All right, so that's going to conclude this deal video at Ace Hardware. If you gain any value from it, I would appreciate that you give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. And also be sure to subscribe for more tool deal videos like this. I really appreciate that support. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.